There are other variants of this. One of the best known is Achilles and the Tortoise. The tortoise challenges the fleet-footed Achilles to a race. And Achilles scoffs. Well, yeah, okay, sure, I'll race you. In fact, I'll give you a head start, turtle. No problem. Well, fine. They start out, and everybody bets on Achilles. Everybody assumes Achilles would win. Except, of course, Parmenides and Zeno. They say, look, my money's on the tortoise. Achilles can't win. Why not? Well, because in order to pass the tortoise, he first has to get to where the tortoise is now. But by the time he gets there, the tortoise has moved on a bit. Well, he's now got to go to where the tortoise is now, but by the time he gets there, the tortoise has moved on a bit. Again, he has to get to where the tortoise is now, but it's moved on again. And so he can never actually pass the tortoise. In fact, he can never even reach the tortoise. By the time he gets to where it was a moment ago, the tortoise has moved on. Now, again, it seems obvious that something has gone wrong. You can easily imagine Achilles passing the tortoise. In the Physics, Aristotle describes it this way. In a race, the quickest runner can never overtake the slowest, since the pursuer must first reach the point whence the pursued started, so the slower must always hold a lead. So the tortoise gets a head start, Achilles must first get to its starting point, but by then the tortoise has moved on, and so on, in every step of the process. Well, we can put this in the form of an infinite regress argument. It would go like this. Suppose the set of places at which Achilles catches up to the tortoise is non-empty. Every movement by Achilles accompanies a new position for the tortoise. By the time Achilles has moved from X to Y, let's say, where the tortoise was, the tortoise has moved on from Y to Z. And so it looks like Achilles can never catch him. There are no infinite descending chains of such movements. If it's going to take Achilles infinitely many moves in order to catch the tortoise, it seems it must take infinitely long, so he can never get there. Well, of course, according to modern math, that's the problem. It doesn't have to take infinitely long. He can traverse infinitely many movements, in effect, in a finite time.